In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a free NinjaTrader Demo account. By the end, you will have registered with NinjaTrader, selected the futures asset class for a live market data trial, installed the NinjaTrader 8 desktop platform, and located the two emails you need, one for the download and one with your demo login credentials. First, register. On your browser, go to the NinjaTrader website or open their registration page. On screen, click the option to sign up or start a free demo. In the email field, type an email address you can access right now. Double-check for typos so you receive the credentials without delays. Then click the button to submit or continue. If you see a short form, keep it simple and complete, only what's required to proceed. The goal here is to create the free demo account tied to your email. Next, select the asset class. When you're asked what you want to trade, click Futures. Choosing Futures ensures your demo includes a trial with live market data, which lets you practice on current prices rather than delayed quotes. Confirm the Futures selection on screen before moving forward. If you see other options, don't change anything else. Just make sure Futures is selected and continue. Now, download the platform. Look for the prompt or link to download the NinjaTrader 8 desktop platform. Click Download. Your browser will start saving the installer file. Once it finishes, open the downloaded file to begin installation. On the installer screens, follow the prompts to proceed. If you're unsure about any option, the default settings are fine for the demo. Click Next through the steps, agree to the license terms when shown, and then click Install. The installer will copy the necessary files and complete the setup. When it's done, click Finish. If the platform launches automatically, that's normal. If not, you can find it on your desktop or in your applications list. At this point, the software is installed and ready for your demo login. From here, check your email. You should receive two separate messages from NinjaTrader. The first email includes the platform download link and confirmation of your request. The second email contains your login credentials for the demo connection. Open your inbox and give it a moment to arrive. If you don't see both, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Open the email with the credentials and keep it handy. You'll use these details to connect the NinjaTrader 8 platform to your free demo with live futures data. Make sure you can clearly see your username and password in that message. Keep this information private and store it somewhere secure so you can access it when you're ready to log in. At this point, you've completed the entire setup for a free NinjaTrader Demo account. You registered with your email, selected futures for live market data during the trial, downloaded and installed NinjaTrader 8, and confirmed that you received both emails, including the one with your demo login credentials. Everything is now in place and ready to use. Your free NinjaTrader Demo account is now set up and ready, and the NinjaTrader 8 platform is installed. You have the download confirmation and the demo credentials in your email. So you're all set to log in and start practicing with live futures market data during the trial. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.